Hello everyone and welcome back to House to Happy Home. If you're new here, my channel is usually about DIY projects, home renovation, things like that, but today's video is a little bit different. I just filmed a haul for home decor, home good items and things like that. That is actually all piled right here, and that video will be posted before this, so if you have not seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it below if you're here for more of things related to home decor, goods, DIYs, and things like that. But I still did want to kind of post this video. I used to make videos like this a very long time ago, and I know some of you are around from that time of me in high school, so almost 10 years ago, which to say that is absolutely insane to think, but I know some of you have stuck around through all of the different phases and things my channel has gone through. But today's haul video is a little bit different. It is a clothing haul, and it's just because I figured it would be a fun kind of change of things. I wanted to show you guys what I got. I got this all in the same weekend that I got all of the home goods things, and I figured if I was sitting down and filming it all anyway, I might as well film the clothing portion. So if you're not into that, that's totally fine. Don't worry about it. Home good videos and home decor, things like that will be in the next few videos. But I figured I would show you what I got from the Salvation Army. So I got 6 items and my total came out to $12. All of these are clothes, and I don't exactly know how this happened. My mom and I went and we didn't realize until we were walking out of the store, like, wait, how did that only ring up to $12? Because I got some things that were labeled as like $10. Like, for example, their jeans are a flat rate no matter what kind of jeans, what brand, pair, whatever it is. They have a sign that says jeans, $10. So I'm very confused, but on my receipt it says 6 times $1.99. So it says like 6 items at $1.99 each. So I guess everything was $1.99 that day. I only saw a sign that said blue tags were half off. So I don't exactly know if everything that day was $2, if by some chance he thought that I was ringing up kids' clothing. That is my only thought because, you know, with a mask, I had no makeup on, I look very young. I'm 24, I'm not a child. I can fit into child-size clothes, but no, none of these clothes are children's clothes. So I don't exactly know what happened there. So let's just hop right on in. I got this pair of pants, and these are the brand Levi's. I think it's something that's usually at like Marshall's or things like that. It's like the random trendy clothes in at the moment, but these are just kind of like gaucho work pants with like a cinched waist. They have lining up into the shorts because they are a little bit sheer, but they have lining up in the shorts. They have some pockets, and again, these were supposed to be, since they're pants not jeans, they were supposed to be $7 I believe, but they rung up for $2. So these pants I think are so cute. They're just gonna be really good for work. If you guys don't know, I'm a teacher, which means lots of comfortable clothes. I teach little 8-year-olds that run around like maniacs all day long. So that means that I need to run around like a maniac all day long. So comfy clothes are key. I love the little munchkins, but man, you need to be wearing comfortable clothes. So that is one thing. Next thing I got for work is this dress. I love wearing dresses because it's easy to pick out in the morning. You put one thing on and your outfit is done, usually, unless you put like a jacket on or something. But it's very easy. You don't have to worry about matching pants and shirts. So this dress is a New Day brand, and it's just like an extra small dress. It has these little cap sleeves. It's almost a full-length dress, and it is just this really pretty green color with all these gorgeous kind of fall florals. And then at the very bottom, it does have a slit, but that doesn't go up very high. It only goes up to about right below the knee. So it's a perfect dress, very comfortable, very, very easy to throw on in the morning. So I love this. Again, it was $2. Continuing on with the dress theme, I absolutely love like t-shirt dresses and things like that. They are the most comfortable things ever, and I only have like 3 t-shirt dresses, so I feel like I cycle through the same thing all the time. So I needed to add another one into that mix, and I got this Billabong dress, and it is just a kind of strange length sleeve, to be honest here. I wasn't into the sleeve, but it is so soft, so lightweight, and it's so cute. It's just like a green, army green t-shirt material with all these stripes on it, and it is just a dress. So I figured with a denim jacket, this would be really cute. It's a Billabong, and it is an extra small. So again, $2. These were supposed to be, I believe dresses were $7 originally, whatever it was supposed to be. I don't know if, again, everything was $1.99. I don't know how that happened, but this ended up being $2. And then I got one more dress. I didn't really get this for work necessarily. I just thought it was really cute and I could wear it on Valentine's Day. Being a second grade teacher means you're all out for the holidays. Like I, on Valentine's Day this year, wore, you know, all red, pink, had the little headband that had like the floppy hearts with like confetti coming out of them, you know, like you go all out for holidays. So I figured this would be really cute just to wear on Valentine's Day to work. And this dress is a Pretty Little Thing dress, which I never really order anything from there, but I always look on their website and see all the cute things. And it is just a heart dress. And it is so cute. It just has this little kind of ruffled collar around it. They're like a 3/4 sleeve, and then it just is a wrap dress. I wouldn't actually wear this dress like all the time to work. It's very holiday-esque. I just thought it was cute for short times. And I guess for only $2, it was cute. The last two things I got are more casual things, not necessarily for work, but these I can wear, well, I'm kind of hesitant. I don't really know. These, we do get jean days every Wednesday, so I do get to wear jeans on Wednesdays, but I never wear jeans with rips, obviously. These are from the brand Rewash, and they are these really cute, kind of very, I don't want to say they're flared because they don't go crazy flared. They're just very wide leg pants in general. They're high-waisted and tight up at the top. They're very cute, and then they go wide leg. As you can see, they have like rips in the bottom, and then these on like the knee area and right above the knee, but they're not completely see-through to where you can actually see skin. Like you can't see any skin in them, so I feel like they could be okay. I don't know. I'm gonna probably leave it till like the very end of the year, like last week of school kind of pant situation, but just for other purposes, I thought they were so cute, and I love like the detail at the bottom, and these were only $2. So this is just a turtleneck top, and it has some forget-me-nots on it. And so it says forget-me-not, and then the actual, you know, plant name. Myosotis sylvatica plant is like, you know, the actual plant name for it. And it is just a cropped long sleeve turtleneck top. I thought this would be really cute with the pants. This was a very last minute kind of pull. It was on the end rack of one of the rows as I was waiting in line to check out, and I just grabbed it, and it's from Brandy Melville. So very cute, very casual. I figured I could still wear this with high-waisted jeans to my, you know, casual Wednesdays at school. We used to have jean days on Friday, but that switched to Wednesdays, so have casual Wednesdays covered as well. But that is it for today's clothing haul video. Just a very short, simple clothing haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like seeing more of these videos, give me a thumbs up. I feel like I can kind of throw in some random videos in there as well at times, but if you like those, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my journey of turning my house into a happy home. That's what my channel is usually about, more DIYs, home-centered videos, but every once in a while I'll throw some clothing things in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye.